Yes, people, greetings, greetings, greetings. What a lovely day it is today in Bristol. Sun is shining. So let's drop some nice dubs and things, yeah? And yes, people, this is the sounds of Cornell Smith, you know, Mr. Big Stuff, you know? Wicked this track. Check it. This is an old track, you know, I'm running some old, some new, some, you know me anyway, yeah?
The big stuff. Who do you think you are? Who, yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. You never gonna get too far. Who, yeah, Mr. Big Stuff.
And we gotta big up Mr. Whelan for the last show. Wicked set, my brethren, one love from the White Lion, you know. And a big up from the Lion Camp crew too.
Who, yeah, the only thing you big is get your bag of money. Only thing you big is get your bag of jewelry. You don't have no love and no harmony. You don't have no love for the poor man picnic. You don't have no love for the hungry belly.
Yes, Abs, and I got a big up, a massive big one love from the White Lion to you, you know.
Who do you think you are? Who, yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. You never gonna get too far. Oh, yeah, Mr.
Yeah, and I got big up my nephew Russ, who's tuned in up there in Embry. One love, Russ, you know, Uncle's doing it, you know.
Big Stuff.
Good to see you the other day. And hopefully, Russ, things are gonna get better with the family, you know.
You come from there or you come from far. You white like snow or you black like tar. You name Mr. Wang or Mr. Pang. You live in the black or you live in the blue. You're phenomenal and a rebel can't help you. Your bag of money just can't help you. So tell me.
Yeah, and a massive big shout to the man like Scooby 2. One love, my brethren. Good to see you lot too.
Oh yeah, Mr. Big Stuff.
And like people, I've been writing some dubs and stuff. I'm not going to play them this week, but I played them the other week. But check out my YouTube channel, White Lion Sounds, you know.
Oh yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. You drive in a fancy car. Oh no way. You live on the hill and I'm living on the flat. You always have all the big chat, but I don't care. I don't matter about that. All I know, I'm on the attack, Mr. Big Stuff. Who do you think you are? Oh yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. You never gonna get too far. Oh no way, Mr. Big Stuff. Who do you think you are? Oh yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. You smoking a big cigar. Oh no way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, wicked track that.
Just back idiot. Damn girl following.
Happy sexy ladies, follow the dancer. Happy sexy ladies, yes, yes. Listen, I heard the sound boy.
Yes, people, tuned by the man like Sluggy Ranks, you know, my sound. Yeah, gotta pick up the man like TC, you know, the lady TC, now sure.
The rolling stone, I mash up in ooh la 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 la.
And I gotta pick up Johnny B and Mr. V. One love to you guys, big maximum and big love to you, you know.
La 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 la, my sound is the champion sound. No sound can be like my sound. My sound is the toughest sound, and I want you to know. About the seashell, because the champion soda play and everything there.
Yeah, people hear that the champion sound is playing, you know.
La, la, my sound is the E1 sound. Ooh la 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 la.
You know, people, I don't understand that it's the 1st of March. This year is going quick. Soon it will be summer, and that's what we all want. And the White Line is coming back out this summer. Well, I'm coming back out anyway, you know. Yeah, sorry that people, it's the 2nd of March, not the 1st.
Things I got and over
Gotta say a massive big shout to my brother, like my best friend brothers. He's sat in the studio with me now.
Sound is the ruling sound, and I want it to go.
And I gotta big up Amy, Vela, Reggie, and Ray Ray.
My sound at the E17, ooh la 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 la. My sound at the New York massive love we, and Jamaica love we, and Canadian love we, and the British they want we. Boy, boy, new sound can play like my sound. My sound run things I got, I run it up. My sound don't beg no friend. Old band sound boy back up, you better leave out the session. Ooh la 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 la. My sound at the E17. Ooh la 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 la. My sound, I with the girls and fire. Oh baby,
Yes, gotta say a massive big shout to Steve Uplift. One love, my friend. I gotta big up my three children, Kyle, Mason, and Craig. Love you to the maximum. And I gotta big up my son-in-law, Kyle. One love to you myself.
Oh, yes, yeah. Just relax your mind and feel a beat. Baby, don't discreet. I love you just the same. I want you in my arms forever and ever, baby.
Yeah, and this is a track by the man like Frankie Paul, you know, a tune called Up and Down.
And you want the love, come and take it. And I will give it to you right now, anytime. You make me go up and down and around in circles. You make me go in and out of your love. You make me go up and down and around we go. Oh, 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 I really miss you. Yes, I do. Baby, here is my number.
Yeah, and I gotta big up Ash out there in Wales. Big love to you, Ash. You know that from your brothers and from myself.
For you. Come a little closer and let me whisper in your ears. Tell you something nice and sweet, baby. Round and around. I wanna love you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna squeeze you right. Let's make love, baby girl, through the night. Oh girl, you make me go up and down and around in circles. You make me go in and out of your love. You make me go up and down and around
Yes, and I gotta big up my brethren, Big Al. And don't forget, this Saturday, all roads lead to the Pegasus Pub, Southmead. I'm playing Urban Front, Jah Garvey, Jamie Irie. So if you're in that vicinity, people, come along. It's Alan's 60th birthday, and we gotta big him up.
You and I, honey, we could have so much fun. You and I, baby, we could make love forever. You and I could share the happiness, and you make me go up and down and around in circles. You make me go in and out of your love. You make me go up and down and around we go. Oh, 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 I really miss.
Yeah, and I got to big up my brethren, Rumpy and Mummy down there in St. Paul's. I got to big up, shout out to the man like Matthew. One love to you, my friend. Them checks are wicked.
I want a sexy one healing. I wanna love you, baby. Oh yeah. Relax your mind and feel the beat. Baby, don't discreet. 'Cause I love you just the
It's brand new. Wake up now.
Yes, I people, a man like Jah Mali, you know, wake up. some people in my life need to wake up, you know.
Wars and rumors of wars. You read all about it in the paper near or far. Pestilence and famine. Crime is on the rise. Can't you see what is happening? It's time you open your eyes. Wake up and come alive. Wake up, you got to feel the vibe. Wake up and come alive. Wake up, let Jah be your guide.
Yes, big shout to you, Rob, out there in Barcelona. One love, my friend. We got to link up when you come back to the UK, you know. Big up to you. I got enough respect.
For humanity, their cares are in
And I got to big up my Bridget and Ganja Man and B-Line out there as well, out there in Spain. I got to big up Chasey, Bobo and Benny out down there in the north of Spain and the south of Spain. So big love to your Spanish connections. And Naomi, one love to you, Naomi.
Wake up and come alive. Wake up, you got to feel the vibe. Wake up and come alive. Wake up, let Jah be your guide. It's time you wake up.
Yeah, we got to big up the man like Mamba too. One love to you, my friend. I've got to big up Jamo and Victor, Anonymous Sounds.
In the land of the living, no room for the dead. Jesus Christ is risen, walking amongst friends. You can hear it if you listen. Voices in the wind, angels they're all singing, shouting in unison. They're saying, wake up and come alive. Wake up.
Yeah, got to say a massive big shout to the man like K-Tone and I like Chunky. One love, Chunky. Get well, my brethren.
Wake up, let Jah be your guide. Wake up and come alive. Wake up, you got to feel the vibe. Wake up and come alive.
Yes, Rob, we definitely will, 100%.
Jah be your guide. Wake up now.
And maybe when I get a passport, I'll come out to Barcelona and do some gigs out there. Set it up.
Hey, wake up now.
At the moment, my passport has run out, so I can't really travel. But I'm due to renew it.
Wars and rumors of wars. Read all about it in the paper near or far. Pestilence and famine. Crime is on the rise.
Yeah, and I got to big up Ezra, Ash's boy. One love to you, my friend.
It's time you open your eyes. Wake up and come alive. Wake up, you've got to feel the vibe. Wake up and come alive.
And you know that, my brethren Jaguar, we one love to you. Big up. Doop, 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 doop.
And come alive.
You know, we got to cut some tracks, Jaguar. We got to come in and cut some tracks.
Wake up and come alive.
And I got to big up the man like Mad Sam. I got to big up all the Yama Banana crew. Man like Yuri, one love to you guys. Future, man.
Wake up now. You got to wake up now. Hey, wake up now. Hey.
Yeah, this track the man like Norris Man, you know. This track, he did a dub plate of this for me. I'll play it one week.
Persistence is to try, throughout this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you down and in distress. If I met Babylon, know your weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest. If I make them know. We say persistence is to try, throughout this precious time. You can't
Yeah, people, tune called Persistence, you know.
All when you down and in distress. If I met Babylon, know your weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest. If I make them know. We set them system apart. The struggle it not easy, don't a dirty I hard. We not go sell out the soul, we get no round of a blast. Positive movement, not a negative thoughts. Tell them clean in a them heart. Things what they do is not what we do. Things what they say is not what we say. Things what they preach is is not what we preach. Mr. Jah Trinity, some take the mark of the beast. Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you down and in distress, never let Babylon know you weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest, never let them know. It take persistence to reach your work. Firm of yourself, seek salvation first. It just say a blessing, no Eden, if you say curse.
Yes, Abs, big up to you. I love the videos, you know that. It's been funny because you haven't been on, I haven't seen no videos. Before you defile yourself with your words, purge out your system first. Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. Yeah, and I got to say a massive big shout to the man like Tipper Irie, you know, out there in JA. You know, I've been filling in for him. I'll still fill in for him while he's away. One love to you, Tipper. Yeah, and a massive big shout to Ryan again out there in Wales. Never let Babylon know your weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest, never let them know. Me sing morning and noon, evening and dawning. Give me Jah praises. Say when nothing I want, and me belly start yawning, till give Jah praises. With all the burden on your shoulder, Rasta your day are so fit conquer. Lord, Lord, whoa, yeah. Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you down and in distress, never let Babylon know your weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest, never let them know. Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. You can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you down and in distress, never let Babylon know your weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest, never let them know. They said them system.
I ain't gonna be like Ali, but no. Like Ali, but no.
Yeah, people, tuned by Tenor Youthman, you know. A tune called Ali Banton.
Work for nothing, well, I ain't gonna be like Ali, but no, well, me nah go, work for nothing.
Yeah, and I got big up Liana. One love to you, you know.
I ain't gonna be like Ali, but no, boom dance so. I ain't gonna be the victim of the system. No way, no. And the words from my mouth.
Yeah, and I got big up my brethren Stu. One love to you, mate. Hopefully I'll come and get me van today. Wicked. You'll see people running around Bristol, the White Lion Rockers van, you know.
What I mean, living in a system you're seriously risking. Well then so, as I am the artist, it's something like dentist. While them healing your teeth, I'm healing your soul. Alright then, I am the artist. It's something like psychiatrist.
And I gotta big up the Wise Rockers crew out of France. One love to Alda and Davo. I got some dubs I'm gonna play later on that they sent me. New, fresh.
Works for nothing. Well, I don't wanna be like Ali, but no. Boom dance so me nah go.
Yes, I gotta big up the High Caliber Roofing out there in Wales.
Well, I ain't gonna be like Ali, but no. I got to pay my tax and I got to buy my food. Well then so, no selling no one, forgive food. Just give voice that.
Yeah, and I gotta say a massive big love to the man like Tata, Lloyd, Snoopy, Big D, Conrad, Unique Star Sound, Jah Loco Sound. One love to you guys. Gotta big massive big up to the song called Basai.
Well then,
as I am the
And I've got to say a massive big love to the man like Blackout J.A.
specialist. Giving you a spiritual food to make you stronger, resistant. Go on there.
And don't forget, people, this is Eruption Radio, and you're tuned in to Jah Mali, and this is the White Lion Rocker Show, you know?
Physical terrorists. With words, power, and sound, I am burning the system.
And don't forget the phone number for the studio is 07927281013. Check it and get a dedication.
I ain't gonna be like Ali, but no, no way, no. Me naga work for nothing, no. I ain't gonna be like Ali, but no, no. I ain't gonna be the victim of the system. Go on, die. And the words from my mouth are no careless whisper. Tiboom die. Living in a system, it's not a joke thing. No, whoa, whoa. And living in a system, you're seriously risking. Go on, die. I got to pay my tax and I got to buy my food. Go on, die. No seller, no one to give food. Those few words that sounds good. No, until we're gonna live with that market economy. T-boom die. Everywhere coffee get paid with enough.
Yes, people, the wicked tune that. The man like Tenor, Youthman. Sounds a bit like King Kong, you know. Tune called Ali Button, but let's move on with the man like Admiral Tibbett, you know. Too greedy, too greedy. Yeah, dropping some old. These old rhythms are still flying.
I heard it more than twice. The beggars didn't got no choice. You're too greedy. Just give a little to the poor and needy. You don't have to give everything. Just give something.
Yes, I gotta big up Modcon, Carpentry in Bristol, you know. One love to you guys tuned in. All locked on the building sites, you know. You know this how the White Lion do it, you know. Remember, people, like I said, the White Lion's coming back live and direct, you know, on Eruption Radio.
Just say, we leave that to you. You're too greedy. Just give a little to the poor and needy.
Yeah, and I got to big up Nicola Fraternity, and don't forget she's coming on after me today, so the reggae still is going to play at 2 o'clock, so stay locked.
You don't have to give everything, just give something. You treat us so unfair, rob us of our equal share, to make yourself a millionaire, but I won't give a man more than what he can bear. Mother and father and happy is a child that have his own. So Mr. Oppressor.
Yeah, and I got to big up our Nick, our Darryl, Keegan, Tyler, Sonny. Big love to you guys. Got to big up our Ginge, Naomi, and all the kids. One love to you. Got to big up my neighbour Steve downstairs. One love to you, mate. Thanks for putting up with me. Yeah, and I got to big up Rob H too.
Like a king on your throne, having everything for your own, using your money to control, but only a foolish man sell their soul. Give and you will get, give and don't regret. By the good that you do, just say, we leave that to you. You're too greedy, just give a little to the poor and needy.
You're that style, people, too greedy, you know.
Heard it more than twice, the beggars didn't got no choice. You're too greedy, just give a little to the poor and needy. You don't have to give everything, just give something.
Yes, I gotta pick up the man like Johnny C. Mills, Bristol. That's that's close to we. Glad to see you lot, my virgin.
you alive. Don't make
Yeah, people, sounds of the Cornell, you know, Cornell Crystal, make use of your life.
Make use of life, oh, while you're young and strong. Ooh, yeah.
But remember, people, you only have one life, you know, live it.
As life goes on and on. Hey, have a bigger brother by the name of Tony. Hey, hey. My mom is in favor of him more than me. Oh, and she don't want him to.
We've got to say a big shout up north to the man like Rob Lupton. One love, Rob. Got to big up Aaron.
She would hand him her weekly pay. And now when I will away, now we get a fly and him reach a foreign. Send us many letters without a shilling, mama. Said although it looks so bad, I would still tell everyone that he's the big son I have. But remember, make use of life. I tell you, make use of life. Oh, while you young and strong. Oh yeah, make use of life. I tell you, make use of life. As life goes on and on and on. All of a sudden, mama gets a news flash. Yeah, that Tony gets hooked on the coke and the crack. The coke and the coke and the crack. Now we have nothing for ourselves, we sell all these guys. Yeah, start to walk up and down all over like a half-idiot. Oh, hey, mama gets on her knees and start crying. She said, Conrad, look how hard I tried. When I remember all the things that we've been through, all I can say, look what Tony has come to. Make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. Oh, while you young and strong. Oh yeah, make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. As life goes on and on and on. Oh, make use of life. Don't make a fool of yourself. No. Don't make a fool of yourself. No. Oh, you can't come and sport in a big fancy car. Oh, Tony, I could tell you, you won't reach far. No. Oh, because the type of friend that you keep, oh yeah, they will turn their back on you when you are asleep. Oh yeah, so make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. Oh, while you young and strong. Oh yeah, make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. As life goes on and on. Hey, make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. Oh, while you young and strong. Oh yeah, make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. As life goes on and on. Hey, have a bigger brother by the name of Tony. Hey, hey. My mom is in favor of him more than me. Oh, true, she don't want him to go astray. Come home from work, she would hand him her weekly pay. And I would feel away. I would get a fly and then reach a foreign. Send us many letters without a shilling, mama. Said although it looks so bad, I would still tell everyone that he's the big son I have. But never make use of life, I tell you, make use of life. Oh, while you young and strong. Oh, yeah.
Evil people, you better beware.
Yeah, I dedicated it to a friend of mine. Evil people, you know, in this world.
Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about
Here it is.
and they don't know about love. Some will eat and drink with you, and then behind you, them crucify you. Another said we love and talk.
Yeah, people, sounds of the Chris Wayne, you know, talk about love.
Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. The more you live is the more you learn that you shouldn't mess around what's not your concern. Cause if you work hard someday you will earn. You play with fire and you must get burned. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know.
And I got to send a massive big shout to my brethren, Dean Coombs in Port Ed. One love, Dean, to you, Ross and Sally, all the family, you know.
Evil people, you better beware.
Hear that, people? Evil people.
Evil people, I say you better beware.
And don't forget, we all come across them kind of people, you know.
Talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people will eat and drink with you, and behind you them crucify you. Another set will love and talk with you, and deep in them heart them are so. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. The more you live is the more you learn.
Yeah, got a big shout to the man like Ippy Lee, Natty Lee, and the man like Gypsy Dan, you know.
If you play with fire, then you must get burned. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Say you better look before you leave. It's time to separate the wolf from the sheep. The preaching of the gospel soon be over. Don't try to oppress your own blood brother. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Some people just talk about love and they don't know about love. Evil people, you better.
Yeah, people, this is the track, Tony Curtis, you know, this is on a Baltimore rhythm, you know. Old school rhythm. Got a beeline on this one, trust me. Yes, Russ, you like the tunes, yeah? Wicked. I'm glad to see you lot, Russ. And I'm surprised I didn't see you at Auntie Pat's funeral last week. And I've got to big up my cousin Gary Jeffries all the way out there in Australia. I've got to big up my other cousin Rich Swan. Yeah, gotta send some love up to Lock Lee's, a man like Lee. I got big up Knee too up in Lock Lee's. And I've got to say a massive big to you, Abs. I love the videos, honestly. Keeps me going. Ha! At least I know people are locked into the show, you know?
To the elites of the world. Them locked up the music. I love keeping them can't stop it. Cause the music is the heart of the people and the beat of the heart in the world. Cha, cha, cha.
Yeah, people. Sounds of the Buju Banton. Tune called Probation, you know.
Madman, ambulance siren. I hear we want bad boy that take friends. Police bomb patrol, carrel evidence. Make sure you know what leave but not fix on the friends. I'm out of body, young man, no make sense. 5 a.m. in the morning, I will see so. Wake up with a gun, but from my man just in a flow. We don't make them on the eye, barely over. Coming at me house and I answer all you. We see 3 more of them jump me fence in a bed. We rifle on them back and helmet over them head. What's up, why make a funny move and take your head? And you make come for you don't know you want it. And people wonder how me make a escape. Jump through the room, me put me take it to the cave. Them man, oh, they not intend you.
Yeah, got a shout out to man like Pete Pierre, one love Pete, got big up MO2. Got big up Mark, All and Chasey, one love to you guys. Got big up my mate Pinhead. Got big up Lauren and Neil.
Ambulance siren, jump into me bean, from over popping, 2.5 years now, since him jumping, from probation.
Got to send a massive big shout to my bridging Justin Reverb.
Straight in the can, they counting fan, give some signal, ready for my get that and call the couple, in jail up in the pass down him gal, pass down him gal.
Got to send a massive big shout out to the man like Major Mackerel out there in JA as well. Got to big up the man like Jack Clarity, the man like Tony Melody.
Wake up with a bumper from my man just in a flow. We don't make no money, I barely owe. Coming at me house and I ask a oh. We see 3 more that them jump me fence in a bed. We rifle upon them back and helmet over them head. I say why make a funny move and take your head. And you make tough and you don't know you want it. And people wonder how me make a escape. Jump through the room, me put me take it to the gate. Them man oh, they no intend to wait and them can't. Someone like me escape. Here we want bad boy and take friends.
Yeah, and I got to big up the Vinyl Junkie and Annie, one love guys. Oh, and John, we will link soon.
I'm out of body, don't no make sense. 5 a.m. in the morning, I will see so. Wake up with a gun, but from my mind.
As you know, people, a lot of my dub plates mention the Vinyl Junkie. That's because he was with me from the beginning when I created White Lion.
More of them jump me fence in a bed. We rifle upon them back and helmet over them head. Once a boy make a funny move and take your head. And you make come for you don't know you want it. I know people wonder how me make a escape. Jump through the room, me put me take it to the cave. Them man oh, they no intend to wait. Them can't make a boy like me escape. What do you out the station? Say them a bad man and a run from probation.
Yeah, people. A man like Buju Banton, I ain't giving a man like Garnett sick. This you know, Garnett Silk, the singer, is just a beautiful voice. Yeah, check it.
When the lion roars, when the lion
hear that, people? See, when the lion roars. Har.
I know jungle trembles. Yeah, everyone is gonna love this. We'll never forget this. The lion are giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness. Hey.
Like this week, people, a different selection. I just running checks. I made up this thing to play today, you know.
The lion are giving you niceness, and I.
Could look like the White Lion. I was gonna go digital.
Oh, she just loved this song so wild. Trevor shouting his neighbors. Hey friend,
Yeah, and I got to big up the man like Vital.
And a one champion, White Lion.
Yeah, and I got to big up my brethren Raymond Mighty, One Love Ray. Got to big up the two kings, Andy Scholes and Jack Lundy. And I do believe Peter D was tuned into my show, so I'll big up to you, Peter D, as well. One love, you know.
Niceness you're getting, cause your niceness you want again. Rock the old and the infant. If a dog not test with people that instant. Watch this. No make them pass on their dirt to remarks. I will stop them from talk. I'll make them start off. Yes, we know them corners so dark. Just like a old joke, I'm going to put them to park off. Everybody's gonna love this. You will never forget this. Lion eye, giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness. Yes, everybody's gonna love this. You will never forget this. Lion eye, giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness.
Of the music.
Yes, I the man like Shabba, you know. Tune called Respect, but some people don't have in this world.
You see the elders then? You see the elders then? Tell them, say, watch it. When a nurse on a bed, when a dribble on a soda, when a powder. When a better respect the elder entertainer. When a nurse on a bed, when a dribble on a soda, when a powder. All of the phone.
Hear them lyrics, people, you know. And don't forget, this is Eruption Radio. And I got to pick up all the London listeners and all the crew that are checking into the studio, you know. One love.
Lyrics the solution fit the whole of them. If they want like them want this respect legend. Cool. You ride on roll. You ride a godfather of the DJ school. Cool. Try you done roll. Influential factor of the DJ school. Cool. King Stitch done roll. Easy for a stitch well equipping at the school. Cool. Brigadier done roll. Dreadlocks educator of the DJ school. So when a nurse on a bed, when a blow on a soda, when a powder. The only youngsters who are disrespect the elder. When a nurse on a bed, when a blow on a soda, when a powder. We set the foundation, set the stem, fit them follow. Step by step, you have it, climb the ladder.
Yes, I Russ. Old tunes, you know, just running them, Russ, you know. That's how Uncle Kev does it, you know.
Live forever, at the foundation, the juvenile start follow. Cool. Who's the wheel done roll? Hardcore rock open up the day.
Yeah, and I got to big up our Becks and all the kids. One love to you. I got to say a massive big shout to my whole family. Love you to the maximum, you know.
Papa San done roll. Him run the marathon in the DJ school. Cool.
Got to big up the man like Apple.
The man of the style in the DJ school. Cool.
And I got to big up our Lorraine. One love to you, Lorraine.
Of the DJ school, Mike and Equalizer at the DJ tool.
Got to pick up our Sarah, our Paula, one love.
Children go into school. You can't be a mimic, you can't be a fool. You have to present your style and make them know say it rude. When a nurse on a bed, when a drill on a soda, when a powder. The all the youngsters who are try disrespect the elder. When a nurse on a bed, when a drill on a soda, when a powder. To all the elder entertainment.
Yeah, gotta pick up my baby mother, Locks. One love to you.
Titan and buckle of the giant. Respect the foundation and you be brilliant. A youth like me who is living militant. I become as a lamb to overcome ignorant. Music give me my yearly allowance. Cool. General cheese a done roll. Rumpus sticking up in the DJ school. Cool. Early be a done roll. Early be you are the doctor of the DJ school. Cool. Trinity a done roll. I love the style, I love the pattern that you're setting at the school. Cool. Jah Thomas, you done real pace of this face of that a boom shot in at the soul. Some little entertainer, what is the matter with them? They do a one song which will be top of top. They nothing no height it feet it like the bossy like a them. It's a roof, it's a bed for even feel them best friend and them no whole. Them original corner again. Lyrics is the solution for the whole of them. I respect for
yeah, people, like I said, respect is a big thing in life, you know. One love to everybody who respect everything, you know. And next check, Sizzla, Black Woman in Charge. You know, I've run this for a long time, so greetings from Sizzla.
So much love. For you I really have so much love. No bills and coins will fade away. Could never make I so proud. Black woman and child. Oh yeah. For you I got so much love. No bills and coins will fade away. They could never make I proud. Alone, but Africa still remains so fine. Empresses and emperors living from in those times. I know you're the first to give birth and to mankind. Now let me say you're the hurt, be no megas divine. Take out to die and I give thy praise that where my cup not really always. How have you been going through those things and been away for many days? Love, woman and child. For you I really have so much love. All the bills and kind will fade away. Only you could make my proud. Black woman and child. For you I really have so much love. All the bills and kind will fade away. Then if I ain't make them proud, who knows who will sit up on the road just to make things great? Oh yeah, you and the children, I see them in front of your face. I say, give them proof as you live, increase their faith. Marcus Garvey don't save him, save the future from us. Oh, naturally nature is the way to your needs. You were born as the one to conceive, now let my joy put away your grief. You understand us, smooth as the breeze. Woman and child, yeah. For you I'm having so much fun. Ethiopian clothes coming more and more. Oh, what a lovely day. The blessing is so pure. Someone conceived today. Of this I am sure. Yeah. Black woman and child. Yeah. Why you have got so much love. Dollar bills and carriers will fade away. That never yet make I proud. Oh, black woman and child. For you I have so much love. Dollar bills and
yeah, gotta big up the man like Jason Charles. One love, Jace. Good to see you locked in. Hey.
Yeah, man, I berries burn I represent for White Lion again, you know, man. Murder them in a White Lion. Yeah, me are the baddest sound in England, you know. Big up the whole of Bristol, you know, man. You don't know, you know, man. Norris Man, big up person.
White Lion. White Lion. White Lion.